Buenos días, hermosas personas. Mi familia va a visitar La Fortuna. 4 horas de viaje. That means, good morning, my beautiful people. My family and myself, we're going to visit La Fortuna. It's an area in Costa Rica that has volcanoes, ATV tours, zip lining. It's a beautiful area. So we're going there. It's a 4-hour drive. So we're in for an adventure on today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. And we're going to meet Tio Maurice. Uncle Maurice, he's really an angel. I got to tell you guys about that. So I think it was Sunday night, our first day here, or was it Monday night? Well, I think it was Sunday night, yeah. We went to the supermarket, El Supermercado, in Playa del Coco, and we took an Uber there, but coming back, the Ubers were not running because in Liberia, where we are, the Ubers, they're very sparse. Not many Ubers, right? It's a lot of taxis. But where we were, we couldn't find a taxi. And like I said, yo hablo un poquito español. My Spanish, I speak very little Spanish, so it was kind of difficult for us to, understand what the locals were trying to tell us, how to get a taxi and all that. And on top of it, it was raining really bad. So we were just kind of sitting there stranded. So this guy, he was literally an angel. I really believe he was an angel sent from heaven. Really do. Because he pulled up. He said, "Do you need a taxi?" He's like, yes. He was like, okay, I have to run in to the supermarket to get something for my family. And then I'll come back and I'll take you to your destination. And we thought he was just, playing around, but he actually came back out. He helped us load up the groceries, and he did drop off some meat to his family. And he took us to our villa, right? And, we just struck up a conversation. He was excellent, very helpful, very knowledgeable. And we just asked him, would he be our personal driver for the duration of our trip? And he agreed. So Uncle Tio is going to be taking us to La Fortuna on this morning, all right? So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a marvelous day. You might see my family pop in and out of the vlog, but until then, buenos días. Muy bien.
Hey, amigo.
Mi,
No, días.
mi familia quiero pagar en colones.
¿En colones? Okay.
Sí.
This is so beautiful. The lagoon.
Quick pit stop on our way to La Fortuna to get some food.
Hola. Hola.
Meet my family. That's my aunt. That's my brother.
Take your stuff. Don't forget.
Good. That cinnamon bun look good.
That strawberry thing looked good to me.
Hola.
Hello.
Yes. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness.
How are you, little fella?
Yes.
You're so cute. This is so beautiful. Most beautiful country in the world. Now y'all know. This is my favorite place to visit. And I want to move here one day. So beautiful, so peaceful, so serene. It's lush. This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna get out and feed them.
Y'all a trip.
Can I go feed them?
Oh, you gotta feed them all, then you gotta give them some more.
Hold on, let me get out.
What is a YT?
That's
Man, hopefully we
fascinating.
got up on all twos, man.
You know, cat.
That's fascinating.
You getting the pictures, Tom?
Yeah.
Volcano? Arenal.
I don't know. ATV tour. I'm going to be his passenger. Well, he's going to be my passenger. I was going to bring my tripod, but I said, messing with this guy might not come back with a tripod or a phone. So I'm excited because this is my second time on an ATV. The first time I almost killed myself. So we're excited for the going to the jungle. We might go up the Volcano ATV. It's pretty muddy out here, and my brother's all the way in the back. That tour guy actually came back and put me on his ATV. He's like a lot smoother, huh? This is my second time. I learned my lesson the first time when I almost got daggone killed myself going down an embankment of water. I almost like went head first into the river. So I'm just, I'm chilling while we waiting for Junebug in the back. Let's see. I don't know, the tour guy's saying something. I'm taking a break. All right. The most beautiful country in the world, Costa Rica. We took a pit stop, 20 minutes here at the lake, the water, taking this beautiful scenery, water break.
All right.